it out, guys. This is the CB7 Accord. This has been made. Now we're putting up the arms to get fitment for the lower control arms. Trying to finish up the skip for you guys. That's how the arms look. Really nice. Looks similar to the 4th and 5th gen Prelude. Chad and Jay is on it.
We got this up. You can see everything is all mounted up here. We're gonna mount this arms up. So the only difference from this and the Prelude is this part right here. So that's what we're waiting for. So finally we got it. We got this thing all done. We're gonna mount it up, and we'll also notice that we have to make a new billet adjustable lower control arm and a camber. So the camber up here. And once we get that thing done, this kit's pretty much done.
Pretty much done.
Yeah.
So camber and lower control arms.
Exactly. Yeah. So we're just gonna modify ours for the length because we can't use what we use in the Prelude because it's a little bit longer.
A little bit longer. Okay. All right, guys. Take a good look.
Yes, we're here with TK and Justin, and
You got my name wrong. My name is TK, yo. Oh, it's hot. All right, guys, so stay tuned with us. CB7 and CD5, 1990 through 97 Accord. You guys are next. As soon as we figure out control arm, camber kit, that's it. The major parts are already done already. Diff mount, the trailing arms. So we're almost there, guys. Almost there.